Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live in Orange County, California with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Independent Tutorial Group. And let's jump right in to our session here. This is going to be an interesting one, but very simple. Okay, this poster asked to make an 8-inch by 8-inch out of this rectangle picture. And their examples showed kind of like it repeating itself. You can do that, but you really want this to kind of blend in. So first of all, I would say that 8-inch by 8-inch is not really what you want to do. What you want is a square. So once you make a square, then you can resize it upon printing or do whatever you want. Let's try to keep it the same size that it is in its own. So if we go to Image, Resize, Canvas Size, it's telling us right here that it is a 23.583 by 15.78. So let's first make it a square. So whatever the width is, 25.583, let's make that the height also, 23.583, and hit OK. Now we got us an actual real square. I can like create a new layer and try to replace some of this. Let's try to grab the top portion and copy it up to here. So I'm going to right click and hit copy. Now I'm going to turn off the bottom layer, and with the smudge tool, let's get us a nice big smudge brush. It's about let's go 200 points, and we can just kind of smudge this down out of the way. Let's do the same thing with this one and smudge this down like this. As a matter of fact, let's just keep on smudging down photo. On the top half, let's continue using the smudge brush, but I'm going to double the size to make it huge like this. Alright, so we're done with the top here, and we're going to do the same thing with the bottom. And once we finish smudging this, we might have to fix it a little bit once we bring the rest of the picture back. So let's zoom out a little bit, and let's turn on the two layers that we smudged where we want it. The only thing that's missing now, and the only issue that we're having, is that we see the lines from the original photo. But because we smudged the background so far, we can literally now grab an eraser, 300, and watch what's going to happen. It's going to disappear, this line, as I erase it. And see that? It's gone. This top one can actually be even slightly bigger. I'll try 350. From the original, I'm going to erase and come down a little bit, come back up, and then come down. And there we go. We have us a perfect square. You almost can't see any lines anywhere. I'm doing a few little smudges. And now if you really want to size it, you grab the bottom right corner. You see the ruler up there? I'm going to zoom in. You can bring this into any printing program, desktop publishing, and print it to any size. Or you can just grab the bottom right corner, and it stays to the right size, and bring this down to 8 inches as you see on the ruler up there. Okay, you're going to lose a little quality because you're reducing the size of a vector, not a vector, vector, I forget what it is called. But there it is, it's right down to 8 inches. And now I can take, here let's go like more exact. If I really want, what I could do is turn on View Grid and then Snap to Grid. It's already set, and now I can have this snap to exactly at 8. Boom, right there. Now I'll turn off the grid. Oh, actually, I can leave the grid because I'm going to do crop it now. So I'll get the cropping tool, start from the upper right, left, come down to the bottom right to 8 inches, let go, hit the check mark, and there you go. I'll turn off the grid, and there you go. You got a perfect 8-inch by 8-inch. You see it over here and up here, square with your image, and you can't even see any of the lines that we made from the merging. And that's it for this tutorial. Rich saying over and out. Bye.